Hello, welcome back to Unique Beauty. My name is Maria Macabo. So today's topic, I just want to show you how to care for your hair when you have box braids, and then after you take your box braid out, how to care for the hair. Yes, so that way your hair will become smooth, soft, it stop breaking, it stop build up, it stop freezing the hair. Then it strengthen your hair, and then it also make your hair looks really healthy and fuller and thicker. It helps healthen your hair this way. I'm going to show you. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share. Please subscribe. And then I'm just showing you a tour of the shop, our beautiful clean shop. Yes, we got our wash base area where we do our treatment, just like so. We got all our fresh treatment. So now let's get into the topic. So just like the way you see this lady, now we finish her hair. So this is the routine you should put yourself into. Get your water bottle with oil. We got tons of videos how to mix it and everything. Yeah, you can just use kind of oil that is good, but olive extra virgin olive oil is quite good. It helps nourish the hair and moisturize the hair, and it stays longer onto your hair if it goes with your scalp. Yeah, then once you spray your hair like this every week, twice or 3 times a week, it's really good for the hair. Then you can go ahead and use any kind of oil that suits your scalp. Yes, this one I'm using is the one we make with natural butter and natural oils. We combine everything to balance it very well, and we whip the cream. So it's safe to use for the edges, the scalp, the hair. If you have any patches, you can go ahead and use it. Massage very well. This will allow blood flow to your scalp and help stimulate the scalp and encourage new hair growth. And also smooth your hair and strengthen your hair, and then thickening and make your hair long. So I'm just going to show you now. This lady, she used the water and oil. She put herself in a routine. So when she came to take her hair off, it was very easy. No flakes, no frizzy. The hair doesn't look dry and breaking. It was so easy to take down. So when you put yourself in a routine, it's quite good for your hair. As you can see, this other lady now, the hair is really naughty. It was so naughty that it breaks her hair a lot. So she did use oil. Yeah, oil is not a moisturizer. It doesn't seal inside your hair, especially when you have braids. When you have braids, the best recipe is oil and water, just like the one I showed you previously. Mix it in a bottle, and then you just keep using it 3 times a week. It's quite good. It helped stop the shedding, dryness, dandruff, breakage. It softened the hair. It helped the hair to become smooth, and it's like it's cleansed the hair. Look at that. It cleanses your scalp when you use oil and water. I keep telling you, and I'm gonna keep ringing it on your ears till somebody tried it one day and pass the message. Yes, I hope you people that are using it, you pass the message to other, because it's quite good. It helped your hair moisturize. It doesn't leave it dry when you use the oil and water. It makes it soft. Yeah, she did use oil, but it was just not helping the braids. Look at that. It's so naughty. I've seen a lady who came to the shop one day. We took her hair off. She used the oil and water, and she kept it for 3 months. There is no knot. I'm shouting. There is no knot. I'm telling you. Try it out, guys. Try this oil and water when you have braids. Even when you want to detangle your hair, your natural hair, try it out. It works. It works like magic. All you need, boiling water and olive oil, or you can use any kind of oil that suits your scalp, because lots of people are allergic to something. What might work for you, it doesn't work for the other person. Yes, guys, try it out. Protein hair max treatment to condition that hair and soften that hair and cleanse your scalp very well. So you can go ahead and watch one of my videos. I got tons of videos. Yeah, you can just go ahead and then use this for your fussy hair. It helps soften your fussy hair. It helps with your dandruff, itchy scalp, flakes. This will help add volume to your hair. dry, frizzy hair, if you have flat hair, you know, this will just make your hair strengthen and then add more growth to your hair and encourage new hair growth. It stimulate the scalp. So this treatment is really good. Protein treatment. Look at the hair. Look how it looks so healthy. When you do this for your hair, just once every 3 months is good. Once every month, depending on your busy life, how your busy life is. You just have to have the time. So this is another one. You just use aloe vera with egg yolk, honey, essential oil, and then any kind of oil, olive oil. I got a video coming up on that as well. It's quite good. So guys, there's loads of treatment that you can use at home just to help your hair become strengthened and then look healthy for yourself, you know, for your own self, you know. I'm just here to help. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Please share this video. Yeah. So this will help as well to encourage your curls, you know. It just helps strength to your hair. Really, really good. It's really help with so many things, I am telling you. Yeah. Please, guys, just look after yourself. Look after your hair. Because if you don't put the work in, you don't put yourself in a routine, it just doesn't help. This is another one as well. You can just use hair mayonnaise and egg yolk, honey. You know, we all know all this stuff is good. You can research more. Like I said, I'm not going deep into all the treatment and everything. This is just showing you how to get yourself in a routine. Yeah. So just to help you. If you got dandruff like this as well, we got dandruff treatment. So this kind of thing as well, when you don't use the oil and water, your hair will look like this. Trust me, if you use the oil and water, your hair will look so clean. If you go relaxed hair, then the new growth coming, you can also use that treatment at home. That will help your hair soften a bit. Yeah. So fussy hair like this, you can use your oil and water when you want to braid, because that will allow you to divide the hair easy, and then you just seal it with any kind of oil. So my natural butter oil is quite good. It's light. It doesn't cause build up on your scalp. You know, all the measurements are right. Everything balanced very well. So you can have a good, moisturized, healthy hair at the end of the day. I got a video of that as well, how to soften your fussy hair. Yeah, because when you have a fussy hair, you need to get yourself in a routine. Like rice water will help to soften your hair and thicken your hair as well. For me, rice water makes my hair really soft. Yeah, try it out if you haven't tried it out. I got video for rice water as well, how to make your rice water not to smell bad and everything. Because once you get yourself in a routine, like to moisturize your hair, you can use rice water, because then it will not leave your hair dry. It's quite good, just like so. Once you finish applying everything, you know, then your hair will become soft like this. This lady, she put herself in a routine. Her hair is really soft. She got natural hair, very soft. Yeah. So you can use any kind of sealing oil or Vaseline, you know, like these ones. Then after that, you just use your cap to seal all the... Yeah, you can use your day and night cap to keep your hair moisturized for longer. So once you finish with the hairdresser, done your box braid, please put yourself in a routine. Use mixed water and oil in a bottle like so, and you use it, because this will help stop the dandruff and knotty while you have the braids. Yeah. So once you take your braids out, that will just help make your hair look really nice. Please, guys, don't forget to subscribe and... Yeah, this is all I have for you, my lovely people out there. Please put yourself in a routine for your hair, so that will make your hair become soft and clean. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next.